Let's be real. How much you think the renovation cost for today? They can easily cost you more than your down payment. You think getting the key is the end? Nah, it's actually when you're dealing with the contractor where the nightmare begins. This is why I said Nada Embun really gets it. The upper concept isn't just for a look. It's about how you live. The dual kitchen is already done for you. Wall tiles are all fully high. This is a dry kitchen. And this one is a wet kitchen. And the backyard is more than just a yard. You can create a laundry area, a green space, and a private coffee area. Even the car porch is fully covered. You don't need to spend a 10,000 on extra awning. This hassle-free standard is what value for money is actually looks like. A house without a smart tag is already outdated. This is a double-story smart home. One tap on your phone controls your light, your gate, and even your CCTV. With multi-tier security, your family stays safe. That's the best investment you can make. But don't just look inside. This is a 238 acres mature community development. 28 acres are dedicated to greenery. We also have 8 concept parks and 8-acre recreation lake right at your doorstep. Coming home to this after a long day, that's a clarity of mind you can't buy. Wait! I've checked the location too. The location is right near the North-South Expressway toll. It can be direct access to KL. The new access road, which connect to the Nada Embun, resident to Seremban 2, Sendayan, Mambau, and Port Dickson. Also, Mydin, Aeon, hospital, and school. Everything you need is just nearby the community. 20 × 70 with up to 2,340 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Every room has its own bathroom, so no more morning queues. Wow! Look at the ceiling height here! No cramped feeling! All the upstairs floor already include with laminated timber flooring. This is how a real dream home should feel. If you ask me what the ideal life is, of course, the answer is practicality and simplicity. In Nada Embun, you can find that solid, honest happiness. If you want to know more about this project, can contact me. I'm Shikin. Bye!